Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to replace a MyQ door sensor. So there are two scenarios. First, in which the current door sensor is working, and second, in which it is not working, and third, in which you are adding a new second door sensor. So in the first scenario, if the current door sensor is still working and it is connected to the garage opener, then we can simply confirm if it is door 1 or door 2 sensor by pressing a test button on the current sensor. So if the hub beeps once, then it is door 1 sensor, and if it beeps twice, then it is door 2 sensor. In the second scenario, if a door sensor is not working and you have two door sensors, then press the test button on the second door sensor. Now the hub will respond and beep once or twice, which will tell us which door sensor this is and which door sensor we are replacing. Next, in the third scenario, you simply unbox the door sensor and mount the door sensor on your garage door. Also remove the pull tab to activate the battery on your new door sensor. Next, in order to pair the new MyQ door sensor to hub, we will need to open the MyQ app and tap on plus icon, then select device followed by selecting door sensor. Next, choose the hub that you want to pair with, and then the app will ask you to press the door button 1 or door button 2 on the hub depending upon which door sensor you are adding, followed by pressing the test button on your new door sensor. On successful pairing, the hub will beep. Moreover, you will be able to rename your new door sensor. In case you are not able to add the door sensor, then you can clear the door sensor and add them again. Or else simply reset the hub and start the entire setup again. Watch video given in the description. So that's how you add a new MyQ door sensor. And if you found this video helpful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.